In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal business account number. Or rather, let's clear up a common misconception right from the start. PayPal doesn't use traditional account numbers like a bank. Instead, your PayPal business account is identified by the email address or mobile number you use to log in. This setup is quite different from what you might be used to with banks, but it offers its own advantages, namely simplicity and ease of use. Because of this, when it comes to receiving payments, all you need to do is share your confirmed PayPal email address or phone number with the paying party. Now, you might be wondering if there's any specific identifier, similar to an account number, that you can use for business-related tasks. The answer is yes. While PayPal doesn't provide a traditional account number, it does give you a neat feature called the Merchant Account ID, also known as the Secure Merchant ID. This ID can be particularly useful in business contexts, such as when you're looking to customize payment buttons or integrate PayPal into a checkout system. To find your Merchant Account ID, the process is simple and straightforward. Just follow along as I guide you through it. First, you need to log into PayPal from a desktop web browser. Though mobile apps are great for everyday transactions, for this particular task, using the desktop version makes navigation a bit easier and ensures access to all necessary features. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice the gear icon. This is your gateway to the account settings. Go ahead and click that icon. After you've entered the settings menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled Account Settings. Within this section, you will find another option dubbed Business Information, or, in some instances, Business Profile, depending on your account type and any recent updates made by PayPal. Click on this, and voila! Your PayPal Merchant ID will be displayed for you to see and use as needed. This Merchant ID is particularly useful in scenarios where you might want to avoid sharing your email publicly to dodge potential spam, or when you're dealing with technical integrations that require a robust identifier. In these cases, using your Merchant ID instead of your email can enhance security and streamline processes. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how PayPal identifies accounts, why account numbers aren't part of the picture, and how to find the secure Merchant ID that stands in as your business's sturdy anchor for various tasks. As always, I'm here to help you navigate these digital landscapes with ease, so feel free to reach out with additional questions or dive deeper into PayPal's options to discover even more features that can benefit your business operations. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.